Good morning, students. This is your English teacher Manoj Kumar Verma. Today I am going to teach you the narration. This is very important chapter for class 10 students. So let's see that what is narration. The word is spoken by someone can be presented in two ways. First example, Mr. Shukla said Indian fielders did a marvelous job in this match. Okay, in this match. So Mr. Shukla and Mr. Shukla said that Indian fielders had done a marvelous job in that match. Okay, in that match. When the actual words spoken by a person are called indirect speech. So narration consisting of two types. So when those words are reported by someone else in his or her own word, it is called indirect speech. So direct speech, the narration is of two types. First is what? The direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is represented by the two separate sentences. Here you are seeing that he said, comma, inverted comma, I am your friend. So here there are the two separate sentences are there, but indirect sentence is the indirect speech or those speech which is reported. So he said that he was my friend. So let's see that how it is changed. So direct speech is of two types. First is that he said to me, I want your help. So here said to is a reporting verb and I want your help is a reporting speech. When we are changing from direct to indirect speech, we have three changes in reporting speech. First, change of person. Second, change of tenses. Third, change of other parts of speech. So let's see the first just change of person. For first change of persons, here there is a table. So person, personal pronouns, possessive adjective and objective case. So if there is a first person in reporting speech, like we, we, it is the possessive adjective of personal pronoun is my, our, and objective case is me and us. Second person, the personal pronoun is you, possessive adjective is your, and objective case is you. In third person, the personal pronouns are he, she, they, and it, and possessive adjectives are he, his, her, their, its, and objective cases are his, him, her, them, it. So this is what is the table of change of person. So now let us see how to apply this thing. Let us see an example. He said to me, I, my, me. So here it is in the reporting speech. This part is reporting speech and this is what the reporting verb. As you are seeing over here, this is report. Said to is a reporting verb and he is the subject of reporting verb and me is the object of reporting verb. So I, my and me are the reporting speech, the persons of reporting speech. So I is the personal pronoun, my is possessive adjective, pa means possessive adjective, and him is objective case. So if you see carefully, it is what it is, all three are the first person. Example of first person. First persons are always changed according to the subject of reporting verb. So you will see that I change into he, my change into his, or me change into him, because it is using according to subject is he here. One more example. she said to she said to she said to her, we, our, or us. We, our, us. So it is what? We, our, and us. We is what? We is personal pronoun, and here it is our is personal possessive adjective, and us is objective case. If you see, this is again the first person always change according to the subject of reporting verb. Said to is a reporting verb, the subject is they, so it will change according to it. So what it is? They. We change into they, and our change into their, or us change into them. So this is how the first person changes. Okay, so let's see the second person. In case of second person, suppose that I am giving you an example. She said to me, you, your. It is what? Reporting speech. So this is personal pronoun, this is possessive adjective. If you see, these two are the second example of second person. The second person always change according to the reporting verb, object of reporting verb. So object is what? Me. So it is changed according to me. So here it would be what? You will change into I, and your will change into my. One more example I would like to give you. So here you are seeing, he said to her. You and your is also, you and your is also second person. Second person will change according to the object of reporting verb. So it would be what? It would be you will change into she, and your will change into her. Okay, so this is what the change of person takes place. Now boys, see that how this the third person. In case of third person, there is no change takes place. Suppose that he said to me, she and her, there is no change. For example, there is a SON formula I am going to describe over here. Suppose that reporting speech is the first person, it will change according to the subject of reporting verb. If the reporting speech is in second person, it will change according to the object of reporting verb. And if it is third person, reporting speech is in third person, there is no change. Okay, so S stands for subject, O stands for object, N stands for no change. One stands for first person, two stands for second person, third stands for third person. Okay, so next is the change of tenses. So change of tenses, direct and indirect speech. So in the direct speech, if it is the simple present tense, that suppose that verb 1 and verb 5, it will change according verb 2. So example is help or helps change into helped. If it is present continuous, for example, be then verb 4, is am are then verb 4. For example is am are helping, change into past continuous. For example, was were then verb 4. Example is was were helping. Okay, so third is that if it is the perfect tense, present perfect change into past perfect. So has have change into has have plus verb 3 change into had plus verb 3. Example, has have then helped change into had helped. Present perfect change into present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. For example, for formula, has have been verb 4, had been verb 4. Example is has have been helping change into had been helping. Okay, so next is if it is simple past change into past perfect. Verb 2 change into had verb 3. Example, had helped change into had helped. And past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous. For example, was were plus verb 4 change into had been verb 4. Example, was were helping change into had been helping. And past perfect, there is no change. Past perfect continuous, there is no change, so I have not written over here. So next is that is am are change into was were, has have change into had, did change into had done, must change into had to, have to or has to change into had to, can change into could, may change into might, will change into would, and shall change into should. Okay, so next third point is change of parts to other parts of speech. Change of other parts of speech. Let's see change of other parts of speech. In the, if it is in direct speech, this is this, it will change into that. If it is these, change into those. If it is here, change into there. If it is now, change into then. If it is ago, change into before. If it is last, change into the previous or the before, the day before, whatever. The next, change into the following. The next, yeah, the dash after. Today change into that day. The yesterday change into the previous day. Tomorrow change into the following day. Boys, understood? So this is three concept I told you, that is today in this video. The first one is change of person, change of tenses, change of parts of speech. And in the next video, my dear student, I will teach you how to apply these three concepts according to the rules of assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, so we will discuss in the next video. Till now, thank you very much. Try to understand the three concepts by repeating again and again, seeing this video. Thank you very much.